Man, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. As usual, your boy's body clock is screwed as hell. What's new, Daryl? So anyways, what's up my friends? It's your boy Darryl, and today we're gonna get a haircut. Probably sometime later in the afternoon. So the reason why I'm getting a haircut is because my hair is getting pretty long. As you guys can see, the side of my hair is becoming like really long and really thick. I'm actually thinking of getting a mullet, but you know, my hair now is kind of something like a mullet, but it still isn't as obvious enough. So to make it a little more obvious, I'll probably be trimming like this part over here just to make it a little shorter. I'm just gonna chop it off and maybe trim the back a little just to give it some shape. So I'm really excited and I can't wait for the results later. So I guess I should probably get some sleep right now so that tomorrow, so that later in the afternoon your boy won't be looking like a zombie. So I'll see you guys later in the morning. See ya! Good morning my friends. This is today's OOTD. Let's go. Hey yo, so I'm finally back and here's my hair, as you guys can see. So my hairdresser kind of cut the back a little bit too short for me, as I wanted it to be a little longer, but oh well, what's done is already done and it can't be undone. So this is literally the definition of a filled mullet. How sad. But that's okay because with time it will grow. Other than that, I'm actually loving this new haircut as it's really fresh. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If not, I'll see you guys on the next one. See you all my friends. Peace.